for loop, we have another loop that is called the while loop. This while loop, while is a looping statement that will iterate over a block of code until the entered test expression is true. So we use this loop when we don't know how many times the iteration will go on. Okay, let me give you the syntax. Okay, so we have the while. Okay, it's a keyword. Whenever you're trying to use it, you have to use the while right over here, and then we have the test expression. Okay, and semicolon, hit enter, and down here we need to have the while body statement. Okay, so this is how a while loop works. So we have while in here, we have the test expression or the condition here, and here we will be having the while body statement. That could be print statement, that could be some mathematical operation, that could be anything you want, anything you need, and this will continue until this part is become true. Okay, and I will remove this all from here, and I will take you through a real example, okay, on how to, for example, how to sum, or how to sum numbers from 1 up to 10, something like, okay, a real example, so you can understand how a while loop works. So we have a number, a is equal to a number like 10, and then I'm going to have again the sum is equal to 0 right now, and we have I is also equal to 1, and here I'm going to use the while loop. Okay, while this I is greater, smaller or equal to a. So what is the a? You see a is 10. What is I is 1 now, and I'm going to increment this and sum it until the I become 10. Okay, so until this become true. When this is equal, okay, then this is equal to a, then it's become true, and then the while loop will be stopped. So sum, we have the sum here. Okay, sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay, so first we have sum. What is sum? Sum is 0. Okay, sum plus I is 1, so sum will become 1. Okay, and then it come back here, okay, in line 4, and check I is smaller than a. Yeah, that is smaller, and again it will come and sum it again. Okay, the next time is going to be 2, and again it will continue until it has become 10. Okay, when it is 10, and after that, when this become false, I think, yeah, it will not be continued anymore. Okay, when it's true, it will continue working. And also we need to increment the I each time. Okay, so first you see that we have the I, which is 1, and I'm going to increment this by 1 each time, and it will continue. Okay, after that we can print the statement. Okay, let me do that. Print, and the sum is, what is the sum? The sum is sum. Okay, let's save it, and now let's run it. Now that I'm running this, first it's giving me 1, and then it's 3 and 6 and 55. Okay, so sum of 1 up to 10 became 55. So it's how we can use while loop within our Python script. Okay.